This tutorial review will show you how to permanently delete Facebook account. Open your Facebook application, tap on your account menu, and here tap on settings and privacy. Tap on privacy shortcuts. Scroll down and search for delete your account and info. Tap on it. Select delete account, and here we can see deleting your account is permanent. So tap on continue to account deletion. Tap on continue. Select a reason why you are deleting your Facebook account. Tap on delete account. Enter here your account password and tap on continue, and your Facebook account will be permanently deleted. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.